So today I'm showing you my little steampunk dragon, which is part of the cake class that we did online last year. It's still available to join if you want to. I love Saracino, it's so easy to blend, and this is so chocolatey, it's really tasty. This is just very, very basic shapes, and this is just a little overview of the full tutorial. All edited for you, so no chitter chatter. Hello. And so I use the FPC Sugarcraft mould. I'll pop a link down below for you. I think it's just perfect for little models, and as you can see, the cogs are brilliant to make like the hips, and we're going to use it for lots of other places. You can add armour, and I'm just using a scribe tool there, just the plastic covering over the needle. I also use the cutting wheel a lot, and I also use the Dresden. And that's actually the PME scalpel. A good basic kit goes a really long way for you. Need some texture, and sometimes the simplest texture makes the biggest effect. I loved adding cheeks onto him, and I used as many of the molds as I could to sort of make it easier for students to follow and just to be able to do the same thing quite easily. Good angled tweezers there. And as you can see, you can cut the cogs apart, so you don't have to use them whole. Think what it could work for you, you know? Giving him some armour on his arms to go with the armour on his chest. And I thought that I'd add some cheeks in, but look, I really needed some squishy, sort of textural cheeks. So that's why I gave it a bit of a pinch as well. Wings don't have to be complicated. If you're making a really cute little dragon and he's just going to be sitting on your cake, well, what's wrong with sort of the lovely leather effect that this paste gives you anyway? Painting time is the relaxing time. You can slow down. You don't have to sort of worry about the model supporting itself. This was all done in a 2-hour session when we did it live. And I've edited it down so that you haven't got all the gaps where we're sort of asking each other questions. It's brand new audio on there. Gives you all the measurements that you want and everything. And I'm using the Saracino colours here, wherever you want. And he's so cute. So head on to the website for more details. Thank you.